Vikas, what exactly are debt mutual funds?
They're mutual funds that invest in fixed income instruments like government securities, corporate bonds, treasury bills, and similar assets.
So they don't deal with stocks at all.
That's right. They usually stay away from equities and focus on interest generating instruments.
Are they meant for short-term goals?
Some of them can be aligned with shorter time horizons, depending on the type of debt fund. It really depends on your investment time frame and comfort level.
Got it. So they may help reduce overall volatility in a portfolio.
That's one way to look at it. They may be considered by investors who are looking to balance their investments.
An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.